up and down arrow detection. Follow the given steps to create a program to detect up and down arrow marks using machine learning. Step 1. Create a new activity and select activity type AI coding. Step 2. To train your model, click on Train Model button and then select Teachable. Load Model window will appear. In it, click on Image button and then click on Train button. Step 3. After clicking on Train button, you will be directed to different web page. Step 4. In Class 1, click on Upload and select the option Choose Image from your files or drag and drop here. Step 5. Upload the image from the system in both the classes as shown. Class 1 can be edited according to the question. So here Class 1 is named as Up and Class 2 is named as Down. Step 6. Click on Train Model and wait. When the data is prepared, the button will change to Model Trained. In Preview, click on Webcam down arrow and select File. Select Choose Images from your file or drag and drop here. Select the image from the system and check the output. Step 7. Click on Export Model button. A pop-up will appear on screen. Click on Upload My Model and wait. From here, you will receive a shareable link. Copy it. Step 8. Now switch to AI Connect window. Paste the link in the provided space of Load Model window. Then press on Load button to load your model with all classes. Step 9. Drag the Load the Model block from the Teachable category. Block code. Textual code. Step 10. Attach Load Image block from Teachable category. Block code. Textual code. Step 11. Attach if-do block from the Logic category and extend the block with the else statement. Block code. Textual code. Step 12. Put the condition in if portion of if-do block. Add predict image up from image block from Teachable category on the left side of greater than and numeric block 0.8 block on the right side. We have specified that an up sign will be displayed when the confidence level is greater than 0.8. Block code. Textual code. Step 13. In the remaining space for the output, print up and down. This instruction would check the image uploaded. If the image corresponds to up arrow, up will be printed on the screen, else down will be printed. Block code. Textual code. Step 14. Attach Show the Image block from Teachable category. Block code. Textual code. Once the code is complete, follow the given instructions to upload the image. 1. Click on the Load Image block. 2. Click on the Browse button to select the image from the system and click on Submit. 3. After that, click on the Run button and check the result.